All right, let's look at the homework 12.1, problem number 1. All right, so let's look at the first question. What is the projection of the point 4, 5, 6 on the xy plane, right? So remember that the xy plane, the equation is z equals 0. So we want to turn the z coordinate into 0. So it's going to be 4, 5, 0. All right, and the same question, but this is going to be yz plane, so equation is x equal to 0. So we're going to turn the x coordinate equal to 0, then keep everything else the same. So you have 0, 5, 6. And xz plane is y equals 0, so it's going to have 4, 0, 6. All right, so it's very simple. And let's check the answer first. So I'm going to just go down here, submit for testing. All right, I came back and looks like we got all the projections correctly. All right, so let's look for the correct picture. All right, so first picture, if you look at the x along the x-axis, so it's a 4, 0, 0, so that looks good. 0, 5, 0, this looks good, this looks good. First picture actually looks pretty good, but look at the second picture, right? So here, since it's sitting on the x-axis, but x value, I mean the y and the z has to be 0, but this is not the correct picture. And here we have a problem here. This is 4 at the x coordinate is 4, but it's actually 0. Instead, they put the z coordinate equal to 4. So third picture is not correct. And the same problem is here for the fourth one. So the correct picture is this guy, right? So let's check the answer here. All right, it came back and it looks like we got the correct picture. All right, so we want to find the diagonal, length of the diagonal, which is going to be just the distance between the origin and the 4, 5, 6. All right, let's try to find that. So the distance between origin and the 4, 5, 6 would be, so square root of, all right, 4 minus 0 squared plus, you don't have to really put the minus 0, but the 5 minus 0 squared plus 6 minus 0 squared, using the distance formula there, right? So this is going to be square root of 4 squared is 16, and 5 squared is 25. And the 6 squared is 36, right? So what do we get here? So if you add, let's see, 16 and 36, you're going to get the 52, right? So 25 and 52, you're going to get 77. So this is going to be equal to square root of 77. Right, so let's type it in. All right, so we get square root of 77. All right, so let's submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly as well. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.